Join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our paws.
Daddy Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack." 5 little ducks came waddling back.
Mummy Duck smiled.
"Let's go play."
They swam and splashed the day away.
One by one they dove so deep, counting ducks before they sleep.
Finger family, wave and sing. 5 little ducks are on the wing. Quack and laugh, come along. Join the ducks in their happy song.
Brother duck swam far and wide. Sister duck splashed by his side. Baby duck giggled, "Wait for me." They paddled home so happily. Daddy duck called, "It's getting late." All 5 ducks went through the gate.
Finger family.